real estate developers are really moving towards this environment. They are moving towards this area. Remember that if you are investing in landed property, you locate where others are moving to. You locate there and move with them. And at the same This is SEMAN Paradise Estate, situated in Ogbeke Nike. Let's go inside to show you the work here so far. Remember the last time we were here, this was still under construction, but today, look at the work so far. All right, it is fully ready. Let's go inside to see other work that has been done in there. Follow me right inside. Yeah, follow me right inside. Okay, wow, look at the security posts, fully ready for your service. Okay, now we got a new structure here. We got a new structure. An investor already commenced work. An investor is already building here. Okay, so let's go around to see other things that we've not seen recently. So remember, this is an update to show you the work we are doing here and what we have done so far. Look at it. Look at how massive the road is, and poles already installed with a drainage system already done. Okay, look at this side as well. Look at this side, same thing. Okay, the road network is almost fully completed. As you can see, this place is a tableland. All right, and many real estate developers are really moving towards this environment. They are moving towards this area. Remember that if you are investing in landed property, you locate where others are moving to. You locate there and move with them. And at the same time, you locate a company that keeps to their word. All right, not those that will promise you they will do heaven on earth, and eventually nothing is done. All right. Meanwhile, remember that each company has their own MO. So you find out the MO of the company, find out their profile, and then decide where to invest. However, I am here to guide you. I am here to direct you. I am here to tell you where to invest. I am here to tell you when to invest there. And I'm here to also tell you why you should invest in that environment. Like you've seen already, the work that has been done here is the security house, the gates, and then someone already erecting his own building, and then the road network, the massive road that is under construction, the drainage system that is already done, and the pool that has been installed. That is a good development. All right. So why you are not seeing the workers is because of rainy season. So we are waiting for the rainy season to at least give us some break for the work to continue. All right. Remember, I am here to give you an update on what has been done here so far. Stick around for more updates. All right. I'm going to write the price of the sections. Remember that we have different sections here. We have the section for bungalow, we have the section for duplex, and we have the section for Block.of Flats. And each of these sections has its own prices. All right. So the price I'm going to write for you on the screen is the price of the plot of land, the price of the empty property, and not the price of the bungalow or duplex or Block.of Flats. Oh, please. So you're going to see the price of the property, the price of the empty land. All right. So you decide where you're going to invest in. If you're going to invest in the property in the site for bungalow, then you see the price there. If you're investing in the site for duplex or Block.of Flats, you're going to see the price on your screen. All right. So keep watching, keep subscribing to my channel, because I'm going to be giving you updates on different genuine property here in the city of Enugu State. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so, because you are going to be getting more updates on genuine properties here in the city of Enugu State. I remain your best friend and your real estate consultant here in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria. Love it, Aneke. Call me right away on 0803 743 5005. Until I come your way again. Bye for now.